Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group with the Morning Market Stir for Thursday, April 12th. Stocks slipped yesterday, opened up sharply lower. Overnight action was very negative, but did bounce back, got all the way back to nearly unchanged by noon, then gave up the gains. The finish for the day was the S&P and the NASDAQ were down about 0.5%, and the Dow was down minus 1% as the biggest loser on the session. We also saw the VIX decline. The VIX was down below 20, so that was good to see from a bullish standpoint. 20 is the pivot that we've talked about. We've been trading between roughly 26, that double top in March, and about 1450. So 20 is what we want to watch on a weekly basis. Big mover of the day, crude oil. Crude oil 67 was taken out yesterday, 3-year plus highs. So that's very much a positive there. That's a complete comeback in crude. We saw a double top there in January and March, and we took out that 66 level, new highs in crude yesterday. Gold yesterday up $15, some new relative highs there as well. 1369 was the peak intraday, closing at 1360, and the euro currency got up to 124.50. We're keeping an eye on that 125 level. The euro has been trading roughly between 122 and 125 here for the last couple weeks. So where do we stand here on Thursday morning? Right now, stock index futures are positive. We're up about 0.5%. Looking at the S&P up 15. Let's keep an eye on this S&P right now. It's been trading sideways for 3 weeks between 2550 and 2650, looking like it may try and break out here today. The Dow's up 150 points and the NDX is up 40. Crude oil backing off 50 cents, 66.50. Gold a little profit taking there, 13.50 down 10. Euro currency down 50 cents, back to the 124-ish level. The big banks come out tomorrow, so it's going to be TGIF. Thank goodness it's fundamentals. The bank earnings are going to start to get that focus back on what's happening with corporate earnings and corporate profitability as opposed to politics and policy. So to summarize, stock index futures are up about 0.5% this morning, getting back yesterday's losses. S&P up 15, Dow up 150, and the NDX up 40 with an hour to go before the cash stock market open. Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.